Hiking to the Lady MacDonald Tea House is a great hike in Canmore, but beware, you won't get a tea house, as it was never built. The Lady MacDonald Teahouse Trail gives great views of Canmore and has wonderful views almost the entire way. This trail was closed for a while due to blasting works in Cougar Creek. Now it is reopened. Trail is pretty packed down, but still lots of loose snow. Spikes are needed. It was insanely windy and cold at the helipad. Take proper clothes, shoes, gloves and hiking poles. At this point, after climbing up for about 500 meters, we had to pick your way through a boulder field.
Right is the ring of words when the right man rings them. Fair the fall of songs when the singer sings them. Still they are caroled and said, on wings they are carried. After the singer is dead, and the maker buried. Lo, as the singer lies in the field of heather, songs of his fashion bring the swains together. And when the west is red with the sunset embers, the lover lingers and sings, and the maid remembers.
After roughly 3 hours, we reached to a weather station and a place where a concrete tea house once stood. The site was leased in 1986 for a helicopter-supported tea house, however by 2002 the tea house had been abandoned. Up until 2013 there was still an abandoned wooden helipad, incomplete wooden structure for the tea house with a wooden platform and railings and a gazebo. All this was demolished for public safety. Source: 10 Adventures. This is the perfect place for a break, with a large wooden platform to enjoy the stunning views when it is good weather. We turned around at the tea house site because of the bad weather conditions. We'll make the summit again in summer next year.